today we'll still working on one of the string functions. It's called CAST. CAST is for converting any data type from one type to another. So if you to do that, I upload my data. It's called customer. It's my customer data. You import your data and your data is not recorded. For example, purchase price is not recognized as a string. Is not recognized as a float. So string is for text and the price should be as a number, as a decimal. So to do that, so we use the cast function to convert the purchase price from the numerical, from the string text into the numerical value. We'll start first, select our run a query, select from. So from this is ala, just write the a, we'll have I dot, we install our data from customer data dot customer. So this is my from where I stored my data. I was gonna select, if you need first select all, select plus this is asterisk, it will give you the select all. It will show you all the data that is stored in my table. So I need to change this purchase ID. Where is this purchase price from a text to a numerical? So if, for example, let's gonna select purchase first. Let's gonna check purchase price. Select purchase price, and then we run the purchase price. So let's gonna give him order by purchase price. So purchase price and descending order. So order by where you classify. So order by purchase, I need to classify my my purchase price, and I give him descending, so he should give me my data from the high value until the lower value. But what I receive in here, I receive is the opposite. So 89, it is supposed to be is lower than the 799. So and why this happened? Because the my new dataset is not recognized the price, the purchase price as float, as a numerical data, is not recognized as a text. So to do that and to convert it from a text to float, we should use the function called cast. Just put cast function purchase price as float. We change this as a float 64. So 64, this is the float data type preference. So this is the float data type preference. It will convert this purchase price to float 65. Float, it is decimal, numerical decimal point, so convert it to decimal point. Now we give him also, we need to change cast purchase price order by as price as float 64, and then 64 decimal. Give him run. Let's gonna check now. Now you will see all the data is in descending order from the high value until the lower value. So cast function allow us to change. So if your data, a new data set is not recognized the data type that you are importing, so it's better to check. And if you don't, the cast function will help you change your data from one type to another. So see you in the next video.